Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best heavy-duty camping stools that you can buy today. When it comes to camping, a quality camping stool is one piece of outdoor gear you won't regret buying. A compact stool takes up minimum storage space yet offers maximum convenience in a whole range of outdoor scenarios. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing heavy-duty camping stools. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best heavy-duty camping stools, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Guy Portable Telescoping Stool. The Portable Telescoping Stool is a tube-like portable seat made of polyamide plastic that is known to last long. The material is not affected by weather elements, and so you can take it to any outdoor activity. It is also eco-friendly for those keen on saving the environment. When folded, it measures 10.5 by 10.3 by 2.8 inches and weighs 2.7 pounds, which is quite light in the carrying case it comes with. It unfolds and locks to 12 positions, making it ideal for all heights. It also has a maximum load capacity of 287 pounds, though some reviewers say it can handle more. The seating area is 10 inches in diameter, while the base has anti-skid properties to keep it grounded on any surface. A strap makes it easily portable and ideal for any travels anywhere. It folds into a small circular object that is super easy to transport, and you can open it easily by holding both ends and pulling apart. The pros are, it accommodates all heights. It's easy to use. It's made of durable, eco-friendly material, and it can accommodate over 200 pounds. However, it's not the most comfortable, and it's heavy for its size. If you want an affordable heavy-duty stool, then this is a great option. Be wary if you are at the higher end of the weight limit, as it has been known to collapse, which is why it comes in at number 5. And at number 4 it is the Tipper Ridge 3-in-1 Cooler Backpack Foldable Fishing Chair. This product contains 3 items: a cooler backpack, cooler bag, and a fold-away camping stool. You can switch the backpack into a small stool chair with an integrated cooler bag. This lightweight chair is made of high-quality material, has enough space for your food and beverages, and offers an extra exterior pocket. It's fairly lightweight at 5 pounds, and the strong metal structure supports up to 225 pounds. It features a hands-free design comprising a huge bag and a foldable cooler. Its robust cross-frame design makes the chair stable. We like the Velcro strap that prevents the chair from opening during transportation, which is useful. The backpack is linked to the chair at 4 adjustable points and is detachable. Overall, this is a cool bit of kit if you are a keen fisherman or just want to take some ice-cold beers on a camping trip. The pros are, it's multi-purpose. It's detachable and easy to use. It's lightweight and durable, and it can hold up to 225 pounds. However, it's not the most comfortable, and the bag doesn't hold much. This is a great choice for anyone who likes fishing and want to get the most out of their camping stool. The third product on our list is the Zology Folding Camping Chair Stool. This is a great heavy-duty camping stool. It only weighs 3.3 pounds, easy to carry and store, and strong enough to hold 331 pounds. It's designed with multiple pockets that are separated and are great for holding bottles, hooks, keys, wallets, and any other little stuff. It's handy and great for fishing. The insulated cooler bag underneath is large enough for some drinks and a meal or several snacks. Even with food in the cooler area, you can wear it on your back like a backpack. It's got padded, comfortable straps that tuck away into a pocket when not in use. It has a small zip-up pouch and an open pouch big enough for a water bottle in the front as well. Our team liked having everything in one. It's so much easier to carry, and you can have your favorite drinks with you. The pros are, it has Velcro straps that holds the frame together when collapsed. It comes with a bag that provides easy storage. It's sturdy, and it features a foldable design, makes it easy to store. However, it's not waterproof. This is a great heavy-duty camping stool that has a lot of features. You won't be disappointed. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Walkstool Comfort Model. The Walkstool is the only 3-legged stool in the world with telescopic legs. It's a popular camping essential because it's lightweight and very compact. While you can easily buy a different type of folding stool or portable stool, we love the Walkstool for camping trips, mainly because you can sit on it for long periods. You simply just extend the legs to get a comfortable low and mobile seating position. Once folded, you can attach it your bag or belt using the Velcro strap or use the carry bag provided. It makes it very easy to carry around. It is also one of the most reliable stools we've tested. Over multiple weeks of use, it never disappointed. There's no need to worry about the height of this stool as it has 4 sitting heights to choose from. The Walkstool's heights are 45, 55, 65, and 75 centimeters. It even has enough seat size for comfort, and they come in increasing size as the stool gets taller. This stool is so lightweight that you can attach it to your belt to carry. Each stool comes with a Velcro strap that you can loop around your belt then around the stool for ease in carrying. The pros are, it's lightweight. The telescopic legs make it easy to adjust and carry. It's comfortable, and it's really sturdy. However, sand and grit can get into the legs and make it hard to adjust. These stools are lightweight, incredibly strong, and highly sturdy. These 3 combinations of features make it great value, especially for those who spend a great deal of time in the outdoors. The best heavy-duty camping stool is the ALPS OutdoorZ Horizon Swivel Stool. If you need a versatile, comfortable stool that you can sit all day, then this is a serious contender. The Horizon stool has a 360-degree swivel, a padded seat cushion, and is still capable of folding up flat like a normal foldable camping stool. This ALPS swivel stool comes standard with an underseat pouch for holding items and a padded shoulder sling for carrying it out into the woods. The stool weighs 10.5 pounds, making it lightweight enough to easily carry out to your camping or hunting spot. The powdered coat steel frame means that this stool is super durable and can hold up to 250 pounds. It feels sturdy and well made too. The cushioned seat makes this the most comfortable stool on the list. The pros are, the round cushioned seat with 360-degree swivel makes it very comfortable. Its foldable and padded shoulder sling make it convenient for carrying. And it's sturdy and durable. However, it's quite heavy at 10.5 pounds. This is a fantastic, comfortable camping stool that won't let you down. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.